Very good morning, students. The chapter Medieval Architecture, what we studied in the previous class was basically the medieval architecture, that is, art of practicing and designing the structure of a building or any temples or forts or palaces, any structure or any building. So, during the medieval period, the monuments have been divided into two. What was religious building and secular building, and it also consists of different kinds of architecture. One is India, that is Indo-Islamic architecture style, then Islamic style and Indian style. So when we consider the temples, so there are three primary styles of architecture in the medieval period of time which we can see, and they followed three kinds of architecture in order to construct the temples. So in the north, if you see, the structure of the temple will be different, and whereas in the southern part of India, the temple structure outside the outermost features of the temples are slightly different. So what on basis what style they have constructed, that we are going to study in today's class in detail. So what is the difference between the temples which have been constructed in the northern part of India and the southern part of India, and what is the differences between these styles and how they look like, and what is the slight differences between them, and what are the classification they have constructed the temples during construction of temples, what are the main parts they have been, or the main structure they give importance for the temples construction. So in today's class, what we actually going to study about is the style of architecture in the medieval period, about the temples, how the temples have been constructed during the medieval period. So, dear students, basically the three primary styles of architecture which we can see in the construction of a temples, or the temple architecture which we can see during the medieval period of on the basis of three styles. What are they? First one is Nagara style. Second is Dravida style. Third one is Vesara style. So Nagara style generally we can see in the northern part of India, and Dravidian style we can see in the southern part of India. And what do you mean by Vesara style? Vesara style, which consists of Nagara and Dravidian style, that is both the features of Nagara and Dravidian features of the temples which they have constructed together. These features are mixed together in the Vesara style of temples. Next, we will see in detail about the what is about Nagara style, Dravidian style, and Vesara style. So, dear students, when we consider the Nagara style, that is the first kind of architectural style in construction of a temple, that is Nagara style. So, when this kind of architecture was developed or took place, the design or the structure of a temple, it was built, which we can see during the Gupta period. So during the Gupta period, this kind of architecture, that is Nagara style kind of architecture, can be seen during the Gupta. This kind of temple or structure are seen during Gupta period, and majorly it was popular and famous kind of architecture or style of architecture in the northern India, as I said earlier. And these kinds of temples were built in Nagara styles, is it? So, what its major features? It consists of two buildings. What are they? Main shrine and an adjoining shorter one. The main shrine, it will be taller. It consists of two buildings. The main shrine, which is taller, and the adjoining shorter one, that is mandapa. Mandapa. So the shape of next comes the shape of the shikara. Shape of the shikara at the top is the main difference between the two building structure. So basically the Nagara style consists of two buildings. One is the main shrine, which is a taller, and adjacent to the and adjoining to, which is attached to it, is an adjoining shorter one called mandapa. Then how the shikara is being constructed, the shape of the shikara or the top part is the main differences between these two buildings. What is that between the main shrine and the adjoining shorter one? What is the difference? difference we can know through the shape of the shikara which they have built in the of a particular temple. So if we consider any one temple in a Nagara style, we can see it consists of two buildings. First is the main shrine and the second one is adjoining shorter one. So these, by this we can make out the shape of, through shape of the shikara these Nagara style can be known easily. This is the main difference between the two buildings structure of a Nagara style architecture. One is the main shrine and its adjoining shutter adjoining one. Next, these kind of temples can be seen where, like Bhubaneswar, next Khajuraho, next in Konark, then in Puri. So generally these kind, for example, temples at Khajuraho, that is Parshvanatha temple, Vishwanatha temple, then Kandarya Mahadeva temple. These kinds of temples were built in the styles of which style? Nagara style architecture. And other examples like Lingaraja, Mutkeshwara temples,